We're Chris and Tova from Chris and Tova's Amazing Adventures. We recently bought an Alpha 2 rooftop tent from Tough Stuff Overland. Today we will share with you our side-by-side tent comparisons and everything that we looked at when shopping for our rooftop tent.
The primary categories we looked at when buying a rooftop tent was hard versus soft, mattress size and thickness. Is there an additional annex room available? Can bedding be stored inside the tent when packed up for travel? And of course, the price. Generally speaking, hardtop rooftop tents set up and pack up more quickly and they last longer due to the more durable shell. They are more expensive, but if you can afford to upgrade to a hardtop tent, you won't be disappointed. Many people start with a soft shell and upgrade to a hard shell and never turn back.
The overall tent dimensions when closed is important. Not every tent will fit on every vehicle, so make sure you measure. The tent size is also closely linked to the mattress size. Is it a double, queen, king, or is it an oddball size that you'll need to buy overpriced specialty sheets to fit the mattress? The Alpha 2 is a regular queen size bed once opened, with a decent mattress thickness of 2.36 inches. Look for reviews on how comfortable the mattress is. If it's not comfortable, you won't be a happy camper.
Don't forget to check the roof rack weight requirements and the crossbar spacing. You may need to upgrade your roof rack in order to support the tent. This info will be listed in the tent specification. We needed a whole new roof rack system, so we installed a Rhino rack. You can check out this video. The link is in the description.
We wanted an annex room to provide a mosquito-free area and extra shade. All annexes provide this. What's not the same with all rooftop tent annexes is the ladder placement. Is it inside or outside the annex? We wanted the ladder enclosed inside the annex and also wanted access from the annex to the back seat, aka the Puppy Palace. The Alpha 2 provides both of these key features. Something that really tipped the scales in us choosing the Alpha 2 is that the bedding can be stored inside the tent when closed due to the roomier clam design. Not having to pack bedding inside the vehicle is a huge deal for us. Our two dogs occupy the whole back seat, so space is very, very limited.
Research. It's important to do your own research and find out the right rooftop tent for you. We watched numerous YouTube videos and read many reviews. There are many great rooftop tents on the market. Once you've done your research and narrowed down your top choices, pick the tent that best suits your vehicle and your overland needs.
Rooftop tents are an investment, but can also save you money long-term if it means you'll be staying in your tent instead of a hotel. Our tent with the annex cost us just over $4,000 Canadian. If hotels are $100 a night, the tent will have paid for itself in 40 nights. But being free to wander wherever the road takes, the adventures we'll have and the memories we'll make, that's priceless. Rooftop tents mix travel, adventure, and the freedom of the open road. We're preparing to drive from Canada to Nicaragua in just a few short months. Join us for the adventure. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave us a comment. We would love to hear what kind of tent you have and what adventures you've taken it on. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next amazing adventure.